Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the model view where the section belongs and confirming scale and discipline. These settings determine clarity and visible categories. Next, select the View tab and click the Section tool so you can draw a cutting plane. Click once for a single segment, or click multiple points for a multi-segment section. This defines the cut path. Once done, adjust the section line and points roughly where the building extents fall so you can refine in the next step. You now refine the section. Select the section view and drag the extents to frame the area of interest. Move the section head and tail for accurate coverage. Make sure to unlock and adjust the crop region and use far/near clip offsets so background elements don't clutter the view. Then open Properties and tweak Detail Level and Visibility/Graphics, or apply a view template for consistent annotation and line work. Once configured, pan and zoom to confirm all required elements sit inside the cropped window. You finish by adding annotations. Place the section head tag, callouts, dimensions, and any text notes so viewers immediately understand intent. Make sure annotation scale matches view scale and lock the view if you want to prevent accidental changes. If elements are missing from the section, inspect Visibility/Graphics, phase settings, and category filters. Also confirm the section's far clip plane isn't excluding geometry. Finally, save the project and, if required, duplicate the view for alternate display requirements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.